Hi everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I have got the unboxing of the GelBoxUK monthly nail art / gel polish subscription box. Always get so excited for when these arrive because they're always such good value and you just get beautiful products in them. So let's have a look what is inside this one. So the inside usually gives you a clue as well, like the boxes are always beautiful. So this is the inside of this box, absolutely stunning as always. Let's get this out of the way. It is their 2-year anniversary. It's a cute little note. It's their 2-year anniversary. So there's a little message in here about that. So I'll just leave it on the screen for a second for you to read. So there's some more information about the brand there for you to see. But they're just such a beautiful brand. Like the owners are just, yeah, it's just a lovely brand basically. So it's definitely worth investing in. I have loads and loads of colours from them now and they're all just amazing. I've got some 3D type stickers here. They're very pretty. And then, so this is obviously a clue of what we're going to get. Oh gosh, sorry. Of what we're going to get in this box and the types of colours that are going to be in here. Also love the what's it called from here, what are they called, files, that's what I was going to say, and cuticle oils. They're just beautiful. Wow, look how fancy that is. Beautiful hair clip. Obviously on the married theme. And then we've also got these stickers as well that are very also on theme. So we've got a little glitter down here. I'll show you that first. What a beautiful colour. I love any sort of glitter like this, like rose goldy, pinky, anything like that. It's absolutely beautiful. And then, like I said, their cuticle oils and files are really good. The files are brilliant. I use them on my own nails. So that's another one. Fantastic. I only use them on myself because I use disposable ones on a metal file for clients. So these are great when they come in these boxes because I use them on myself. So they last ages because I only do my nails like once or twice a month maximum. So the grit on them lasts forever. It's great. Another cuticle oil. I'm going to give it a sniff. Wow. I have absolutely no idea what that scent is, but it is beautiful. And that's a lot coming from me at the moment because my pregnancy nose, don't think that's a thing and how you describe it, but my pregnant nose is really sensitive obviously, and if I like the smell of something while I'm pregnant it must be nice because my nose does not like anything at the moment. Everything's too overpowering because I can smell it so strongly. So the fact that I like that is a great sign. I'm just gonna clear up a little bit, make some space so I can paint up these colours so you can see some swatches of what they look like. Oh gosh, I'm knocking stuff over left, right and centre. Just move the box over there. Right, so let me show you these colours. So obviously it's on the wedding theme. So they're going to be those types of colours and that is perfect for this time of year because, well, it's wedding season, isn't it? So everyone's getting married in the summer months. So we've got I Do here, which is this one. You'll see it properly in a sec, so I'm going to paint them up. You've got Yours Forever, and I already know that this is going to be a hit with my clients because they love anything like this. This looks really pretty. Catch the Bouquet is this one. I don't know whether that's a gel polish or a builder. I think it's a builder. It seems like the thicker consistency like a builder would be. And then we've got Veil, which is a gold. Ooh. That's different. I like that. I don't have anything like that either, so that's good. So I've got some, what's it called here? Some swatch sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to swatch all of them. I just need to close my blinds because it's very sunny in my conservatory. So I'm going to do them all one by one. I'm going to try this one first because I'm really excited about this one because like I said, I just know just by looking at in the top of this this bottle that my client's going to love this. So I'm going to swatch this one first. I'm going to do it the lazy way so I don't have to top coat. I do prefer to do swatch sticks on the top and then top coat them. I do think they're better that way, but I'm just being stingy and I don't want to waste my top coat. That's going to drip. I didn't realise how much was underneath that. Just a nice thin layer. Such a beautiful colour. Look at that. So shimmery. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp. And then we've got the Builder Gel, which is Catch the Bouquet. This is obviously going to be really thick because it's got chunks in it. So I don't know how easy it's going to be to... Oh, it's not. It's not really thick. So is it a builder or is it a gel polish? I don't think it is a builder gel. I think it is a gel polish. I need to clarify that. If I remember, I'll put that in the description. Please don't rely on me to remember though, because my brain is not ideal. Not particularly functioning at 100% capacity lately. No, I think I am going with that it is a builder. That's what I'm going with. I've decided it is, so I'm going to apply it like a builder. I'm going to apply it thicker. Yeah, it's definitely a builder. The texture of it is much thicker. I know it's obviously going to be thicker because it's got pieces in, but I don't know. I'm just going to apply it really thick. If it cures, it's a builder. If it doesn't, it's obviously gel polish and I've put it on too thick. That is the test. But that is beautiful. I really love that. Stunning. It's like pieces of glitter in a like milky white colour. It's beautiful. Right, so next up we're doing Veil. Oh, I've got to be pointing all the way over there. I never film like that, which is why I feel like I'm struggling to stay in frame. Ooh, this one's nice. Very glittery. I do find sometimes with the bigger bottles, obviously these are 20ml bottles, so sometimes it can be hard to get good like payoff with glitter. Obviously you need to mix it up and stuff, but it's hard to get it good payoff because it's all in the bottom. But look how glittery that is. Super good. And then last but not least, we've got a nice neutral, haven't we, called I Do. Neutrals are always popular with my clients. So this one will definitely be used. Wow, that is so creamy. I have found that with majority of the GelBoxUK polishes, like they are just perfect coverage and so creamy. I've applied that really not very neat, but just ignore it. Just need to get that little dot off. What a beautiful colour. Let me clean that up because I've done a really shite job. But yeah, that is absolutely stunning. So I'm going to pop that into the lamp. So that's been in the lamp and that's cured perfectly. So I'm going with that's definitely a builder gel, else it wouldn't have cured all the way through with how thick I applied it. It is absolutely stunning. Just beautiful. I really love that. I definitely don't have anything like that in my collection already, so that's great. I'm going to do the second coat of all these colours. I'm going to do the second coat off camera actually, just because obviously you just watched me do the first coat, and then I will show you what they all look like at the end when they're all two coated. So here are the 4 colours. They are all absolutely stunning. I'm so happy with this month's box. I mean, I always am, to be honest, and obviously there's that glitter as well. There's the hair piece, there's the stickers. Obviously I know you can't see them because they're in the background, but yeah, this box, they just outdo themselves every single time. But this one is it's just stunning. Let me know which one your favourite is. This Builder Gel is definitely by far my favourite. Like, absolutely love that. But I love this as well. They're all beautiful, but I know that this is going to get a lot of use in my collection. So thank you so much to the GelBoxUK. My discount code for these boxes will be in this top left-hand corner. So definitely use that to get some money off your subscription boxes. But yeah, just look at those. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye.